Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel blind corner storage solutions. If you've heard of blind corner cabinets but didn't know exactly what they were, this is an example. It's a corner cabinet with just one opening door. Well, that can mean access is tricky and is why so often these cabinets end up being full of items you don't use very often. A well-designed pull-out unit makes that dark space accessible and useful again. Vauth Sagel's VS Cornerstone Maxx is brilliant because it fits a tighter space than many other such units. There's a model that needs a door just 400mm wide. Most others require a minimum of 450mm. As all Vauth Sagel units, it's a high-quality item designed and made in Germany. So what makes the VS Cornerstone Maxx special? Firstly, it has a very nice opening and closing action. It features power-assisted opening and closing, so it's very easy to use. Great if you have arthritis or mobility issues. It's not powered though, so don't be concerned about needing power into that corner cabinet. Cornerstone Maxx is an absolute triumph of design. When the unit comes out, it doesn't move across the adjacent cabinetry, which means that you can get in and out of that cabinet without crossing the dishwasher or the oven, for example. You might notice too that you can't see the support mechanism. It's very cleverly tucked in behind, so you get this lovely floating shelf type look. Cornerstone Maxx is available in two finishes. Powder-coated steel planero, as we see here, and also the Premier style, which is white solid base shelves with chrome style rails. We're looking at a 2-shelf model here. There's also a model with 4 shelves, which is superb for creating pantry storage or general kitchen storage in tight corner cupboards. And of course, there are models that swing out to the left and models that swing out to the right. So you can select just the right one for your corner space. The shelves are very easy to adjust after installation. They move independently of each other, and they're nice and wide so you can fit plenty on them. Up to 25 kgs per shelf too, so very robust. And a point for the kitchen making and cabinetry trade. Installation is really quick and easy with just one fixing point on one side.